welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a jewelry unboxing from She Said Yes Jewelry Company, and I have picked the Tender Moments 2-carat elongated cushion side stone engagement ring, and I can't wait to show you. This is how the packaging looks. Inside the packaging, it came with a gift tag. And it got on the other side, who's it to? And it also comes with care instructions. And this is what it says on this side. And this is what it says on the inside. And this is what it says on the back. This is how it looks when it's packaged on the inside. Beautifully packaged. Came with a shopping gift bag. Came with a ribbon you can tie around your gift box. Last, your ring box. And this is how the ring looks inside the box. And this is the ring up close. You can see all the beautiful detailing. This beautiful ring comes in 10-carat white gold. It also comes in 10-carat rose gold. It also comes in 14-carat white gold. It also comes in 14-carat yellow gold. It comes in 14-carat rose gold. It comes in 18-carat white gold. It comes in 18-carat regular gold, 18-carat rose gold, and last it comes in platinum. Also, guys, if the tag is removed, you cannot return it. So make sure the tag is on the ring when you're returning it. Oh my gosh, just look at this ring. It is super gorgeous. I just love the detailing on this ring. It is worth every penny. I'm in love with this ring. Super pretty. The motto for the jewelry company is flowers, wilt, and chocolate melt. But She Said Yes, jewelry lasts forever. And make sure you use my discount code KEY15 to save 15% off your total. And if you're looking for the ring, the search ID is SESI200. It's the search ID code. Thanks for watching.